Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to set dual clock on the Vivo Y200. Now to do that, first of all, just open the clock app on your smartphone. Now from here, make sure you select globe. Now from here, just tap on the globe icon on your smartphone. Now from here, just select the region of which you want to see the time. Now for example, we will select Abu Dhabi. Now from here, just tap on the globe icon one more time and add another region. Now for an example, we will select this one. Now once you have selected the two regions on your clock app, just go to your home screen. Now from here, just tap and hold on the empty space on your home screen. Now from here, just tap on widgets. Now from here, tap on clock. Now from here, just swipe to the left side and select this clock. Now from here, just drag this clock to your home screen. Now, as you can see, this is how you can set dual clock on the Vivo Y200. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.